DIY maintenance or hiring a professional. Both have their merits, but each comes with its quirks and quips. If you're a homeowner, this is the duel of the century. Like boxing, each round has its own rules and risks. For DIY enthusiasts, the allure is strong. The idea of saving cash, learning a new skill, and having full control is appealing. Yet DIY can sometimes be a path of hidden pitfalls and perplexing puzzles. Faulty repairs cost Americans $29 billion annually. Imagine sweating in your Portland garage, tools strewn around attempting the perfect patch-up. But the frustration of not having the right tool at the right moment is universal, like losing the final jigsaw piece just as the picture unfolds. In walks the professional briefcase and all. Their experience is like in seasoned Sherpa guiding you up skillful peaks. Professional services often come with guarantees and a safety net providing homeowners a peace of mind that's invaluable, but the price tag can sting. It's like buying a premium seat at a concert. You love the experience, but wince at the wallet pit. Nationwide, professional services average $150 to $250 per hour, which can escalate projects into budget busters. And then there's the satisfaction of DIY. And all right, completing a project is like summiting a mountain. There's this accomplished glow, a fist pump moment. Aesthetically, even if you only see the imperfections, they're just beauty marks to the amateur eye. Job complexity is where decisions diverge. Simple tasks like changing light fixtures can save you $125 per hour. However, more complex jobs like electrical work or plumbing could mean saving hundreds, but risk severe consequences if mismanaged. A pro tip, always weigh the cost of both time and money. If a task takes you 5 hours, but a pro could do it in 1, what's your time worth? A survey found people value their own time at $25 an hour, food for thought, when picking your battles. Seek advice online. YouTube and forums unleash a goldmine of insights for DIY warriors. It's like consulting Elder Scrolls for guidance. Yet, don't skip leg day. Practice, patience, and precision are keen. When not relying on a pro's expertise, safety is one foundational pillar not to ignore. Over 200,000 accidents are due to DIY mishaps yearly. And it's the reason many people choose professional services, ensuring their home's safety in their own. It's something hurtful. And finally, striking a balance between DIY and professional services could be the golden chalice. Learn the art of compromise and pick projects wisely. Like life, it's about learning and knowing when to pass the buck or wield your tools. There's so much of interest in this constant tug of war. Remember, every home reflects a piece of us. Whether it's a DIY tapestry or a professional's fine brushwork, it's the story of our abode. That I'm Scott, and in Portland, my own home is a living exhibit of both worlds.